Utility knife blades can get dull pretty quickly depending on what you cut with them. And if you've never changed the blade or don't know how, keep watching this short tutorial. This is the utility knife I'll be changing the blade on, but I do own several. These two are similar, but this third one is my favorite retractable knife, and I'll show you why. This one has an easy to open storage compartment for new blades. The others have storage compartments as well, but they're not as easy to access. To change a utility knife blade on any of these models, the retaining screw has to be removed first. And then the cover should slide right off. And here on the right, you can see fresh blades stored at the back of the handle. To change the blade, carefully lift the old one out. Then slip the new one in place, and there's also a little tab that helps hold the blade in position. Sometimes the locking blade slider falls out of position, but just line it up at the top and back into the track. And often, I'll refill the storage compartment so I'll always have fresh blades ready. Last thing to do is reattach the cover and screw it back together. One thing to note is that you can use both ends of the blades. So when one end is dull, just open up the knife and flip the blade around to the fresh side. But if you do run out of sharp blades, here's a replacement pack I keep in my toolbox. It has a nice sliding dispenser that makes it easy to grab one safely. And here, I'll just refill my favorite utility knife with some spare blades. I know this tutorial is fairly basic, but if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.